What's up, family? Man, it's your boy CHARTPLUG, man. Let me just start off by saying, sorry for the silence, man. This past week, I was actually quite busy, and I was actually far away from from a place where I could get like internet connection, because I kept on moving around. You know what I mean? So I'm sorry about that and everything. But yeah, it's your boy CHARTPLUG, man. I'm about to show you guys my analysis for last week and how it played out. Then I'm gonna show you guys. then I'm gonna show you guys this coming week's analysis, right? So for Euro USD, like I thought, we're gonna reach the 1.2 region last week, but looks like sorry about that. I just woke up. Yeah, so it looks like Euro USD has been ranging for some time. So what I'm gonna do is trade the breakout, right? So let me show you what I'm gonna do, right? Okay, let's get to the weekly. How did the weekly close? Let's see. Oh my god. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, the weekly closed with an engulfing. Okay. Yeah, with an, let me show you. You see that? Let me close. Yeah, you see that? That's an engulfing candle. You know what I mean? But also, looks like it got rejected here. Let me. Yeah, you'll see it better in the 4-hour chart. Okay. We get to, so on our weekly, looks like we're about to have a trend change, right? But don't forget that we can always have a weekly close, which is red, but still in the next week we can still go up. For example, bullish, red, and indicating trend reversal, then bullish, then bullish, then bullish. So I don't expect this like for us to actually become bearish, but I'll keep that in mind. We get to the daily. The daily is just showing, like, the daily is just showing what you call this, like 0.5 like fib, like 0.5 fib rejection. If you look at it, look at all these wicks, price is rejecting the 0.5 region, right? And also it's been consolidation for some time, but we'll see it much clearer on the 4-hour. All right, let's get to the 4-hour. Okay, that's the 4-hour, right? That's the 4-hour. So like, what's that? So it's been ranging in between here. I'll put that, make it. I didn't make another color. I don't know. Let's make it blue. Blue's a weird color, man. Wait. Just make it. You know, screw it. I ain't even making no color. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is first of all, with the fact that I had this trend line and it got broken and got retested, right? So in my mind, I'm like, maybe shorts are screaming because it broke, it retested, so now I can expect shorts, right? But also I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna let it be, right? So what I'm gonna do is, you see this trend line here? I took these points, these points here, this blue trend line. I'm gonna increase it. Right? Okay. I'm gonna increase it. Then I'm gonna increase it, right? And then also I'm gonna do this, because price is just, I know I got like so many trend lines, so don't worry about that. Once we break this trend line, okay, let me differentiate them. Okay, yeah, so like if at all we break this red trend line going up, then I can expect price movement to be this way, from here to like there, and then retest, and then we out, right? Right, let me do this. Yeah, breakout, retest, we out, right? We on to the next, yeah, but I still expect that. But also again, you know what I mean? I'm like, with the looks of things here, I'm gonna let Monday play out, right? Because but if I see a rejection here, then it's very simple. Then what's gonna happen is then what's gonna happen is, let me just get my fib. Yeah, delete that. Okay, let me remove this. It's gonna be quite simple. If it doesn't break that red, then I'm gonna, then what it's gonna do is gonna come back here to around the 0.618 line. That's what I foresee, right? But only if it doesn't break that, right? But yeah, so I'll I'll put that in writing. But you only sell it when it closes below this low, because don't forget that this region here is like a support, you know what I mean? So if it can't be broken, then I'm thinking it's that strong. This area here is a support, you know what I mean? So if it can't be broken, then we're going up. But I still believe in more bullish, like in more bullish momentum, right? So if at all I see how Monday plays out, then I'll give you guys a definite way of which price is gonna go to. Either it's gonna go up or down, right? But right now it's actually still consolidating, so you don't want to be caught in the consolidation period, you know what I mean? But rather trade the breakout. I think I'm taking too long on Euro USD. Let me go to gold. Okay, where the gold at? We be mining. I mean, like guys, I love gold. Like I'm always on gold and UJ all day, every day. I mean, y'all can see me. Last week I was like, y'all should buy between the 0.3 to 0.5. Y'all should buy somewhere there, man. And look at what it did. It came down, as I said here on my, you can't see it. Came down, then it went back up. Like you'll see the before and after picture. I don't mean to say anything. So yeah, you see for yourself. Okay. Alright. Let me go to weekly. Alright, let's go. Let's see what we got. Can't even see anything because of my arrows, you know what I mean? Okay, so I see a hanging man here, right? Hanging man, and also looks like price couldn't close the week above 1290. So also that could probably indicate a trend reversal, because there's been a lot of trend reversals here. Trend reversal, right? Okay. All right. So I can see maybe like I'd say I see a bearish momentum on the weekly. All right. Now I'm gonna get to daily. Daily clearly shows close price rejection there. But I'm not gonna take any decision yet, because I still believe, I don't know, but I still think that maybe we can see some upward movement, right? So I'm gonna get to the 4 hour. Okay. Oh man, all my targets are out. Wait. I mean, all my lines and everything be out. Let me prepare my stuff. Wait. My fibs there, yeah, they back. All right. So I told you, so price literally came to 1300, and then it reversed. But it's all good. But it's all good. But it's all good. Okay. What do I see it happening? Right. Okay. Let me do this. I don't know, but I still believe in upward movement. I still believe in upward movement, right? So what's gonna happen is, I think. Let me see. Okay, targets have been changed. Targets have been reached. Let me get a new fib. Alright, there we go. Okay, let me remove these arrows because I think we're done. We're done with them. Okay. All right. Okay. Well, what I think is going to happen is okay. What I think is going to happen is this. Price may actually come around this region. Okay. Not me. Price is going to come to this region, right? I'm going to come to this other 0.6 on the, yeah, but this region, right? So now what I'm only going to sell this price if we break below this trend line. And I'm also thinking of actually, because on the daily we closed with like a shooting star, I think. So we really need to really need to think of USD longs, right? Because also on the weekly price got rejected, you know, like we couldn't even close above 1290, you know what I mean, for the week. So also that indicates, you know, bearish momentum. But I'm only gonna sell once we break this once we break this like this region, because the only way, because what's gonna happen is price is gonna break and then it's gonna just retest that item, and then maybe God is good, we can even come to 1250. Yeah, if you see what I'm saying is, if we break this trend line, right, then that's gonna happen. So now, like, what's gonna happen is price is gonna come to this low here. So I'm gonna see how price will play out around here. But also again, depending on the DXY, the dollar index, if at all we you know, like we still stay above this like if at all we still stay above this trend line, then we're going up. I agree with that. Yeah, but only time will tell us. So let's wait for Monday to play out, so it could give us like a clear direction. Okay. Then go to USD JPY. Yeah, I remember in my Telegram, I told guys that my USD JPY got invalidated because I thought price was just gonna come down, but you know, it gotta take you up first. So it went up, then came down. So when I was around here, I was like, guys, make sure you guys still use my targets. You know what I mean? Because I still believe my targets are gonna be reached. And look at that, my target was here, and then it reached it here. So yeah, I mean, if y'all ate, man, like we supposed to eat, all of us. You know what I mean? So good job, man. If y'all ate, good job. But yeah, let's get to it. How's the weekly? Okay. Yeah, I don't know what kind of candlestick this be, man. Like, man, flip. Hey, man, like, I don't even know what candlestick this be like, man, because it ain't no doji. Like, some weird ass and the inverse hanging man or or something. But anyway, look at the I see price rejection, so I see are still going down. No, wait. Okay, the daily I see price looks like it's rejecting these. It's rejecting this this area here. You see that? Yeah. Let's go to 4 hours. Let's go to 4 hours. Okay. Okay, like in the 4 hour. Where's my mouse? You see a double bottom, right? Okay, so this could also indicate like a trend reversal, but see the thing is with this is it is a double bottom, right? But then this could just mean a fake out to actually make you think like this blue candlestick, this bullish candlestick could make you think that now we're going up, but it's actually nothing. It's just a fake out, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let Monday play out. I want to let Monday play out, and then now I'm gonna see, like I'm gonna wait and see how this, like how the structure is for the basically the structure for the, like for the new candlesticks, how they are formed and everything. I mean, because then I'll actually have much more clarity on where the price will go. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, guys. Let me see. What I think will happen here is, let me see. I think we're going down. I think we're going down, man. I think we really going down. Down to where, right? That's the question. Okay, let's do this. You know, if the 4 hour, okay, yes sir, if the 4 hour closes, I mean, like if at all, like we get a 4 hour closure above this above this red line, then I can expect longs, right? But if at all it's like this, it shows price rejection around here. So what I think is maybe we're still going down, right? But you're gonna ask me down to where, right? It's okay. So like let me do this. Okay, price could include about 0.5 line, right? So if at all like we don't get a closure above this red line, then maybe short-term trade or something like that. It could just be from here to 108, right? Yeah, but if at all we close above this, like above this red trend line, then I'm gonna have a different opinion, right? But for now, I think we close around here. Yeah, so yeah, but if it was, but if at all but if at all if we can't break this support here, you know, of these wicks, then maybe we could be looking for longs. Yeah, but I'll just keep y'all updated, right? So for this coming week, what do we have? Monday we clean. Tuesday we have Canadian core retail sales. Wednesday we got ECB Draghi speaks and crude oil inventories. Okay. Thursday we have GBP and USD unemployment claims. Wait, what's that? GBP for second estimate GDP. Okay, for sure. Friday we have USD and new Draghi speaks. Okay, no problem. Let me just see how the DXY is. Okay, guys, check this out, right? So like yeah, so like a break from this, man, like a break from this trend line, we could actually see the dollar melting. You know what I mean? The the dollar could be melting, but also again, if we can, this could be like a third bounce off the trend line, right? So maybe you can also see the dollar gaining strength. So that's why I'm saying it's a bit uncertain at the moment right now. So we need to wait for price action to play out for a bit. So we see, so we actually have a much more, uh, so we have much more confluences on our bias. You know what I mean? But with that being said, everybody, thank you, man. I love all you guys, man. Stay safe. See y'all next week.